Hey guys, welcome back to HungryForever's kitchen. Today we're cooking up a delicious pumpkin pie that's perfect for every occasion. And as an added bonus, this recipe is completely sugar-free, meaning you can eat as much as you want without feeling guilty. Associate Chef Joan Rajadas is here with us today and she's going to show us how to make this decadent dessert. Over to you, Chef.
To make our sugar-free pumpkin pie, we take digestive biscuits 1 cup, butter 4 tablespoons, pumpkin puree, which means actually boiled pumpkin, which is then pureed. We need about 4 cups of this. Vanilla essence half teaspoon, cinnamon 1 teaspoon, 2 eggs, skim milk powder 4 tablespoons, sweetener of your choice. We could take about 2 teaspoons or even more if you want a sweeter taste. You can also substitute with about half cup of sugar. Mixed nuts and dry fruits of your choice, half cup. Maida, 2 teaspoons. To make the pumpkin pie, we first preheat our oven to about 150 degrees Celsius. We crush the digestive biscuits coarsely. We melt the butter and combine the two. We take a baking tray, line it with baking paper, and we press this biscuit mixture into it and bake at 150 degrees for 15 minutes. While that's baking, we take the pumpkin puree in a bowl. We add skim milk powder, maida, cinnamon powder, vanilla essence, sweetener or sugar. Then we combine all these well, whisk the eggs separately and add to this mix. Mix everything together well. We pour on top of the prepared biscuit base. Sprinkle the nuts and dry fruits and bake again at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Allow it to set even in the refrigerator and firm up nicely before you cut it into pieces and serve hot with custard, cold custard. You can make the custard with milk and sugar or with milk and artificial sweetener. Pour it over the pumpkin pie and enjoy your dessert.
We hope you enjoyed that dish. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook.